Oh, it is a Friday, and I am in the office. I just finished up the podcast with Russ Netovich regarding the estate planning podcast that we did. Russ is a great estate planning attorney in New Jersey, and we talked about the essential planning documents that people should have when they're thinking about their estate plan. As you know, our podcast brings on top attorneys from outside of our criminal defense area because we understand our clients and our families want to know about these areas like estate planning, family law, personal injury, civil rights, and Russ had the opportunity to discuss those issues with us today. So it was a great podcast. It'll come out next week. You'll see it. Mike Pusinella did a great job putting it together for us. So that's going to be a great episode to catch next week. I did put out a social media post regarding it, and I linked in the link to our podcast. All of our previous podcasts are available on the website, GamboneLaw.com. With that said, it is Friday. Came out the weekly e-update today, which went out to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. It featured our top articles on the alleged teen terrorist in Philadelphia, as well as an article on the recent case of the former West Virginia basketball coach who entered the diversion program for his DUI. And I explained diversion in Pennsylvania and the lack of diversion in New Jersey. In addition, with regards to the teen who was arrested in Philadelphia for alleged weapons of mass destruction, I discussed in that article what the prosecution will need to establish in order to try him as an adult. I believe that they will be able to do that, and he will be tried as an adult, but it'll be interesting to see what type of plea negotiations this individual enters into with the Commonwealth, especially if there's allegations that he has contacts outside of the country and with alleged terrorist groups. It is Friday. People are traveling. It is still summer and a very, very busy summer weekend, both in New Jersey and Pennsylvania. I always give my weekend advice for those traveling in and out of Pennsylvania. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test. It will never help your criminal case. Be advised that warrantless searches are permissible in New Jersey. They are not permissible in Pennsylvania, but if police want to search your car, whether it be in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, do not give consent, but do not get in their way. Do not resist, do not fight with the officers, do not argue with the officers. Just make it clear that you're exercising your right under your Pennsylvania or your New Jersey Constitution, as well as the U.S. Constitution, the right against illegal search and seizure, and you're not giving the consent to search your vehicle. Make that clear to the officer, who more than likely has a video body cam working at the time or a dash cam. So if the officer wants to search the car, do not get in his or her way. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, website, GamboneLaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. In addition, the podcast is there, as well as you can sign up for the weekly e-update. It goes out every Friday. It has some great articles to go into your weekend with, some great information that can provide instant value to you or a friend. So once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. One last piece of advice: if you are traveling through New Jersey, your Pennsylvania gun does not belong in New Jersey. The laws are very different between the states. You can travel through New Jersey with a firearm, but it has to be unloaded in a gun box. Keep the ammunition separate. I did do the article on keeping your gun from Pennsylvania in the New Jersey Shore House. If you own a house at the Jersey Shore, I did an article explaining what you should do regarding that and how the law has recently changed. So I'll link in that article, as well as the links to the teen terrorist article, as well as the article that I wrote on the West Virginia basketball coach. With this video, have a great weekend and please enjoy it safely. And I'll talk to you all very soon.